or you could take it out like using your landscape mode. So there is a tripod that I'm using. This one, I can't remember how much I got it, but I know it's affordable too. So I thought I was recording and I didn't know that I wasn't recording.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting lakes, home in Vegas.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ree. Anyways, I guess y'all know what this video is all about by the title. So I'm gonna be talking about phone filming setup kit. Like if you want to start creating content here on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, other social media platform, I'm gonna be talking about basic things you need to know. Alright, if you want to know what this is, keep watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the videos. I'm Reliance, and hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. First things first, you need to know is when you're filming with your phone, you want to get a good quality video, you gotta clean your camera. All right, that is the first thing you need to do before filming. It's gonna be like a little bonus that I'm gonna drop on this video. Okay, so that's gonna be the last thing I'm gonna talk about. Anyway, so always clean your camera if you're filming with your phone. Tripod. All right, you need to get yourself a selfie stick tripod, something like this. This was the first one that I got because, like, bro, you don't want to have pile of books like behind your phone and then you're filming and they fall off and your phone fall over. Like, it's messed up, bro. You don't want that. All right, so this is very affordable. Like, the thing I like about this is it is super small. You can put it in your bag, like you're going out, you want to vlog or something like that. And it has a Bluetooth shutter like here, or you could take it out, like, you know, you could film like using your landscape mode, which is actually what we do here on YouTube. And you could film using portrait mode, like for Instagram, TikTok, you know. It has a tripod stand, so y'all could see that. And then it is very long, so you could use this. And I got this online on Jumia and it was very cheap. So yeah, I used to have that, but I don't know, like I left that back at home, so I have been saying I'm gonna purchase. But this is a reminder for me because, like, I'm definitely gonna get back my mic. All right, so anyways, you have to have a mic. All right, so that way you don't have to shout like the way I'm doing, because like pretty much everyone in my neighborhood is hearing me right now. So anyways, but you have to have a mic. All right, so you can be audible because people want to hear what you're saying. You are not talking to yourself, bro. You're talking to your audience. All right, so you have to have a mic. All right, so a tripod. All right, you don't have a table, you want to do a sit down video, like the tripod that I'm using, it's from Jumia. So I'm gonna show you all my setup here on screen. All right, so there is a tripod that I'm using. This one, I can't remember how much I got it, but I know it's affordable too. So I also got that one online on Jumia. So it comes with this Bluetooth shutter. It is super good, so don't mind me, y'all. I kind of like had to put this because, like, I keep losing things and I might just end up losing it, and that is gonna be very, very bad. You could also take pictures with it, like, you know, standing pictures. You don't need someone to take your pictures. That is why I bought this one, for pictures. I don't like using my back camera because many times I thought I was recording and I didn't know that I wasn't recording. So here's a hack. If you want to use your back camera, have a mirror at the front of your camera, so it serves as a monitor so you can see what you're doing. And if your phone is recording, all right, so like back in my house I do have a big mirror, but here I don't have that. So I'm just trying to like manage my space and everything here to, like, you know, still create content. If you're filming, you need a bright background because that way any kind of light you're using, the background is going to help to reflect the light back. Spend your money on lightning. That is what you need. All right, you could use your phone to do whatever it is you want to do, but spend your money on lightning. All right, so for the bonus tip, if you're filming with your front camera, okay, you should look at the camera, not the screen. All right, so okay, I do mess up like that. So if you're filming with your front camera, you have to look at the camera, not the screen. All right, so that way no one knows you're using your front camera. And if you also want to enhance the quality of that footage you have, of your front camera, use CapCut. All right, when you're editing your video on CapCut, always go to the adjust button and click on sharpen. All right, so when you click on sharpen, you increase it all the way down. So when you increase it, you notice that the quality of your video becomes super good. It looks like you actually use the back camera of your phone. All right, so that is the hack that I do. So anyways, that is it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up and do well to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. All right, see you guys on my next video. Peace. We out.